Alpine Pat. I'm back Tuesday, 24th, opening day. I never seen so many smiles out here before. But on a previous video, I talked about what we did to our beginner area, how we redone it, how we made it longer, how we made it wider, but not steeper. And I tell you, it's how we did it. We excavated back behind the existing area. But I have a guy that's one of the key people in the ski school, and he's pretty familiar with what they exactly did here, what they're going to do as the season progresses. I want you to introduce Alpine Paul. Paul's going to go over about some of the features that are going to be here on the beginner area. Go ahead, Paul.
Thanks, Pat.
Okay, you're welcome.
Basically, we've made things much more friendly for all the students, all the customers. The bridge on the way over to the beginner area is much wider and not as steep as it used to be. Right panel of that, take a look. It's all been rebuilt this summer. It's fabulous, wide space, good way to get over to the beginner area. Once you come over to the beginner area, we've got a short carpet for all of the students and classes. So that short carpet runs up, it's about 75 yards or so. And then we have the ability to get off that carpet and then work on just a real nice gliding wedge in a nice safe environment. So we're hoping to eliminate anyone from having to do any walking up the hill with any equipment, skis or snowboards. Once they get off the smaller carpet, they can get on a little bit larger carpet, ride that up to the top, which runs up along the right side of this nice fence that was built. Notice the fence also segregates off everything on our timber run, so that everything over here can roll right down to the nice chairlift and get right on the chair. It's going to be awesome, wonderful for all those people who are practicing their skills. Way over, we've got the double carpet still. So one on the left, one on the right. People can go up and get off of that carpet. If they go up and get off on the right-hand side, we're going to work on terrain-based learning. We're going to do some things based on the snow. If the snow is in the condition, we'll put in some real low rollers so people can work on some retraction, either with a snowboard or skis. And we're also going to put a left bank turn and hopefully a right bank turn, but obviously all dependent upon the weather and all the conditions. So come on out, see Alpine Pat, his big smiles, and enjoy us here at Alpine Valley, the fastest way to fun.
Great.
This new beginner area is quite something. This is going to be a lot of fun for beginners. Got a short magic carpet. They can get off, take it easy, and when they feel like they're comfy, they go all the way to the top. We're going to have some terrain-based learning, lots of fun. And one of our problems is we're going to have to keep people out of here because we're having too much fun. If you're not taking lessons, if you're not a beginner, go over there. This is our area for the beginners. We're having fun.